So we are going to do the class demonstration 1. The class demonstration 1 will lead you to do one of your exercise E2.5. Okay, let's see. File, new, Java project. Alright, so we are going to do what? Chapter 2, class demo 1. It's okay? Finish. We are not going to create module. Make sure you say don't create. Alright, so this right here, add the source, right click it, add a new class. We are going to call this chapter 2. Alright, chapter 2, sorry. Class demo 1. It's okay. Alright, so from now on, I'm going to ask you to submit class demo. Okay, so the class demo 1 here, we are going to get the here. Alright, so type string river equal Mississippi. First, type that line. Alright, please type that line. Did you type like that already? So I'm coming back. Did you type it, everybody? Type string, uppercase, okay, river equal Mississippi. It's okay? Alright. So I'm going to type right now. I say string, alright, river, alright. And notice the string right there. It give me an X. Don't worry. And I'm type Mississippi. Okay? I'm type. Alright, I have end with semicolon. Remember that? Alright? So, now I already get my string. River is an object. Class is a string. It's okay? I initialize to Mississippi. Alright, so coming back right here. Let's go to the... sorry. Where's my go? Sorry, I'm here, right? Mississippi. Now, let's type, let's print the Mississippi right now, okay? So let's print out the Mississippi. So we are going to say this. SYSOUT, okay? Then what? Shift enter? No, control enter. Alright. Now, I'm going to ask you to type river, okay? Alright. So, can you type that? Okay, and that's run as Java application. I have Mississippi right here. Is that right? Alright. So, you see these two things, and you can actually pull them side by side, okay? Like this way. Let me put this under that. It's easier. Under. Okay. So you will see my code here, and the console will be like that. Okay? Console will be that. Now, let's do something else right now. We are going to ask you to replace. Okay? So, look here. I want you to do this. I want you replace ISSIPP and with OUR. Alright, so what does replace means? You are going to go back to your uh, Java Bible. Let me see where's my Java Bible right now. Where's my API? Okay, so when you go back to your Java Bible, I'll find out right away, okay? Alright, so when you go back to your Java Bible, and I want you to go back to string, string. Alright, go back to your string. Add your string right here, and I want you to find out something called sub replace. Replace. So how do you replace? You replace the old one by the new one. Okay? Follow this. Follow this. Alright? You will replace the old one by the new one. Okay? So if I coming back right here, I ask you to replace. Who can replace? String replace or river can replace?
River.
That's right. Yes, river. River. So I'm going to ask you to do the river replace right now. Okay? How do you do this? Basic, just follow the syntax. Follow the syntax. There's nothing difficult. Follow the syntax. You do this. Alright? So you do replace here. Who can replace? Remember, who can replace? River. So you do river, you type here. In front of this, you type river. And to retrieve the replace, you do da replace. And old character replaced by new character. And remember, this has to return a string. So this must return something. Alright, the rule is this must to replace. Alright, must. Okay, so I want you to see these have to return to somewhere. Okay, let me copy see. So I have to replace, so I'm going to river. I have to replace, I have to return to somewhere, right? Then river the, now top here already have bunch of these. You click replace. All character. Alright, we are all the character you're going to put quotation. We're going to replace ISSIPP, ISSIPP, and with the newer one is OUR. Oh, type wrong. Alright, one more time. Type it first. I have to blow my nose. No, sorry. Alright, so gentlemen, ladies, do you see this right now? Do you see this right now? You follow. Nothing special. We follow. Okay? Let me put these things smaller so you can see how we follow. Is that okay? How we follow. Alright, basic follow instruction. Alright, So string here is a return. You must return to a string. That's why it's river. You must return to a string, not a river. All right. In order to get this method, you have to be a string object. Only string object can retrieve this. Alright, so string river. River is a string object. So river is able to retrieve, replace. To retrieve, replace, you must have two arguments. They are character argument. Use double quotation. The old one and the new one. The old one and the new one. Alright? So once you finish, you copy this line again. Control C and Control V right here. Alright? Now you are going to I'm going to type here original 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 river. Alright? Quotation plus river. Is that okay? Then I'm going to write here, say altered, replace, river plus river. It's okay? I just want to do like that way, so this way I can see. Otherwise I don't see the difference. It's okay? Now let me run it right now. So original river is Mississippi. Replace river, I need to give a space, okay? Is Missouri. Let me run it one more time. Do you understand? Now, I will ask you to do this right now. With the same question here, I am going to give you a question. Is E 2.5? Is that right? Let me see. I'm going to ask you to do E 2.5. Okay? So let me type the question here right now. Ask you to do this. Alright? So I will ask you to write a program. Replace. This program is called replace tester, but we don't need to change it the name. Alright. Then that encode a string by replacing all letter letter L with exclamation and all letter S with uppercase S. Alright? And you want to use demonstration here. So I am going to ask you to do it right now. For example, we are going to say string any string. Alright? And you can type anything right now. A words. Let me just call word. Alright. And I'm just going to say Java Programming, we have L, right? Let me put I. All right. It's fun. All right. So I have to ask you to replace right now and see how do you do it. Anybody can type for me? I need two replacements. Is that right? So I am going to do this. I'm going to say word, is that right? And equal word dot replace. Alright, so this one is easier. They only want one character, okay? So you do one quotation right now is I. Alright, then with all the I become exclamation, okay? Exclamation. Okay, this one is easier. Alright, so you want to do this way? No. Oh, sorry, I typed wrong, okay? Alright, then then another thing you want to do, word equal word dot replace. We're going to replace just one single character only. All right. So this time we want it to be what? S, all the uppercase S become low. So one quote S become one quote S. All right. That's what they want. Let's just do the same thing here. All right. So okay. So I finish here and let's run it right now. All right. So you see, I already fixed it. All right. So I am going to stop, and for you to follow. Is okay? So this is a demonstration of your textbook and apply it for do E 2.5. Okay.